Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20 plus years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you and enjoy the video.
In this video, we'll be showing you how to replace the front hood latch on this 2000 S10 Blazer, same as any Blazer or the GMC Jimmy, as well as the pickups. Only tools you'll need are a 13mm wrench and a small flat blade screwdriver. Hood latch. Here's actually a new one, so you can see it mounts in the car like this, but turn it around, and you can see here what happens is when you pull your cable, you pull that and the hood pops up. Okay, and then when the hood comes down, there's a bar that pushes right into here. It pushes that down, okay, until it latches. And what can happen is if you don't lubricate them, it can get worn around here, and they don't work. This can wear out here, so it doesn't latch as well. So that's why you might need to replace it. Replacing is pretty easy. 13mm wrench and two 13mm bolts. Undo them. Okay, we'll just hit a little bit of fast forward here as we just remove those two bolts. Okay, and then once you get that up and out, okay, so now you just want to pull your cable out of that bracket. Okay, and then just get a flat blade screwdriver and pry your cable right up out of there. Okay, that spring just keeps the cable like that. And you can see this latch is in good shape. So I actually will just reinstall it. Okay. And obviously reinstalling, put the cable in, take your spring, pull it back this way, and just slide the cable right into your clip here. Okay. Now put the bolts in. Okay, and you can see how nicely the bolts have a nice dark circle here. You can use those the first time you tighten it up. Just tighten it up so the bolts go right back into their original footprint, and that's a good place to start as far as lining up your hood. Okay, a little bit of fast forward here again as we just put those in and tighten them up. Okay, and obviously you can loosen this up and move it down if you want the center of your hood further down, or up if you want the center of your hood further up. And on each side you have rubber bumpers here, and you can move these up by turning them counterclockwise or down by turning them clockwise, and those will control where the level of your hood is. So you can line up your hood by using the bumpers on the side and moving your latch mechanism up and down. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.